And Mr. Speaker, I just want to join colleagues to reiterate the fact that this motion, we would have wanted to listen to the substantive part of the impeachment motion, Mr. Speaker. But, Mr. Speaker, the County Assembly has not been able to sufficiently demonstrate to this House that there was a sitting. And, Mr. Speaker, even when they were given a chance, the lawyers of the County Assembly were given a chance to give evidence in terms of video clips, Mr. Speaker, they didn't take that opportunity to give us the sittings at the Assembly, Mr. Speaker. What they did is to show some place like an office, which definitely had been ramshackled in a way, Mr. Speaker, which did not show it's a chamber, Mr. Speaker. There were no members, Mr. Speaker. So there was no way for this House to be able to tell that there were sittings or not, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, we have heard a lot about Isiolo County, and we were eager, Mr. Speaker, to go through the rigors of this impeachment proposal, Mr. Speaker. But as it is, Mr. Speaker, this is a House of rules and procedures, and the procedures and processes have not been followed. We have no choice, Mr. Speaker, but to send back the County Assembly to follow the law, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, we would not have wanted to bring our biases into this case, because if it were, then maybe we would have gone the direction Senator Hezena is saying, because the women governors, senators in this House, Mr. Speaker, had a lot of bone to pick with the governor. But the way it has come, Mr. Speaker, it has failed the test, at least the initial tests, Mr. Speaker, for us to be able to proceed to full hearing. So, Mr. Speaker, to cut the whole story short, Mr. Speaker, it's not been proven that there was a sitting, and there is no way we can proceed if there was no sitting, Mr. Speaker. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Joseph Githuku, come on.